Hi there, little explorers. It's me, Leo, the baby lion. While you're drawing me, I thought I'd share some roarsome facts about lions. Did you know we're called the kings of the jungle? But wait a second. Guess what? We don't even live in jungles. Nope. Lions like me chill out in grassy savannas. The whole jungle thing. It's a bit of a mix-up. Let me ask you this. How loud do you think a lion's roar is? 10 TVs playing at full volume? Close. Our roar can be heard from 5 miles away. That's like me roaring at my best friend Zazu the bird who lives far away on the other side of the savannah. I like to think my roar sounds like a rock concert, but my mom says it's more like thunder. Here's a funny one. Lions are like big, sleepy cats. Do you like naps? Because we love them. Lions sleep up to 20 hours a day. That's right. While you're running around playing, I'm probably dreaming about juicy zebras and chasing butterflies. What can I say? Being cute is exhausting work. Now, guess what my favorite game is? It's tag. But when lions play tag, it's serious business. We practice sneaking up on each other and pouncing. Imagine playing tag with your friends, but instead of saying tag, you jump out and let out a big roar. Here's something super cool about lion families. We live in groups called prides. My pride has my mom, my aunts, and a bunch of cousins. The dads, they're like the bodyguards. They patrol the territory to keep us safe. But let me tell you a secret. Moms do most of the hard work, like hunting for dinner. They're the real superheroes. Last fun fact before I go, did you know lions can leap up to 36 feet in one jump? That's like jumping over 6 cars in a row. Okay, that's all for now. Keep drawing and keep smiling. Remember, you're part of my pride now. See you next time. Bye, my friends.